Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doogee S40 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find security and location. Now let's scroll down again to the device security section and here we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap. And this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint, so here we've got some information about that. So we will be able to use it to unlock the device, purchase, authorize the purchases or sign into apps. Simply tap on next. Right now we have to choose an additional screen lock. It is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through whole hard reset operation, which will actually wipe out all the data. So you can pick the pattern, PIN or password, and I will stick with the pattern, so simply tap on the option like to use and tap on yes. Right now we have to draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. So this is the pattern we will use later on. Right now you can decide what kind of notifications you will show on the display, so you can on the lock screen actually. So you can show all the notification content, height sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. It's really up to which option like to use. I will pick this one. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on done. So right now we can actually add our fingerprint to this device, and here we've got the instructions that we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located right here on the back of our device. So okay, just rotate. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner just for better recognition. Okay, we finally added the fingerprint to this device. So if you want to, from this step you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And if you want to, you can enter the fingerprint, of course confirm it with the pattern you set. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can customize. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on this trash bin icon, or by tapping on it we can rename it. So let me rename it, because why not? Okay. You can add another one if you want to, and here you've got the fingerprint gesture single tap. So you can decide what you want to do after single tapping on the sensor. You can as you can see, you can touch the fingerprint to return to the previous interface, touch the fingerprint to short, to slide around the launcher interface. You can control the music or answer the call control. So of course, again, it's really up to which option you'd like to use. So you can, for example, use the back control and so on and so on. The unlocking device option is, I believe, defaultly set. So let me lock the device and let's actually check if it is working. So let me lock it, and right now I'm putting my finger on the sensor. Okay, and as you can see, the device has been unblocked, so it means that for sure we just added our fingerprint successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Doogee S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.